how to create a watch list on Robinhood. So I'm going to go ahead and share how to create this watch list. Now, why watch lists are important is because there are certain stocks that you're typically going to be good at trading over time. A lot of traders like to focus on just one or two or even 5 or 10 stocks, like a list. And for me, it changes as well. There might be some times where I'll focus on certain stocks and then, kind of not pay attention to them, focus on others. But in general, I have my group of stocks that I'm kind of generally staring at most of the time. And so this is, for me, a decent list. I mean, everybody has different lists. I like Verizon, Uber, Delta Airlines, Robinhood, all these kind of things. So you can kind of create your own list. And how does that actually work? Well, I'll kind of show you. So what you do here is you go to your your Robinhood dashboard, and you click on list. Okay, and this is where essentially you're going to create a watch list. So you're going to click create a watch list, and you're going to give it a name. So let's just call this, for example, our foundations. Okay, for example, and this is my foundational list of trades. And you could see here, there's nothing in it. So if I click edit list, there's nothing to edit. So what I can do is I can actually start adding to the list. So how do I do this? So let's say I want to add Uber. Uber is a stock that I'm trading right now. I got options on there. I got some shares. I can look at this and I can say, you know what? This is going to be a good opportunity for me to add it to my list. So I'll click Uber here and wait for it to load. And then I'll say, okay, I want to add this to a list. So I can click add to list and I can choose what list I want to add it to. So let me click foundations here and hit save changes. And if we go back to our home screen on Robinhood, it should be in our foundations list. And there it is. So foundations, Uber. And why would I want this here? Quick access. That's really all it comes down to, quick access. So let's do this again. Let's say I want to add Robinhood stock. So I'll search the ticker symbol, type in Hood, or click on the right one rather, type in Hood here, Hood Markets. And then what I'll do is I'll go to the add to list, foundations, save changes, completed. All right, very simple, not too hard to understand. And now I have a list labeled my foundations, and I get to see these different stocks. Let's do it one more time just for practice. Let's say I want to add Google. So I'll search Google. And notice here how Google has two different stocks. We have an A share and a C share in this case. And I can go ahead and click on, for example, the A share if that's the one that I prefer. It really doesn't make a difference. I mean, there's small differences between the two, but I can go over here and click add to list, foundations, save changes, and now I should have all three stocks in my foundations list that I could always access to pretty easily and take a look at. All right, so hopefully this video helps out. Hopefully go ahead and create your favorite lists, and yeah, enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out. Bye.